Hello Sagittarius, welcome to my channel and this is your weekly reading from 22nd till the 28th of September. So your cards are already out. Let's begin. Let me show you one by one. In your personal life, you've got the Initiate, Astronomer and the Moon card. In your career, you've got the Three of Spades and the Five of Suns. Uh, Sagittarius, you've been the kind of person who has always initiated a conversation. You like someone, you will just go ahead and propose. You will not think twice, right? You are very supportive. You're there, like you're an all-rounder. You can party hard. You can take care of someone when they are sick, right? If someone is, if you're fighting with someone, then maybe you're the first one who will initiate a conversation, try to solve a fight, right? But unfortunately, the people around you are not very trustworthy. The Moon card is a very negative card when it comes to your personal relationships, whether these are your friendships with with your siblings or loved ones or spouse. There is somebody around you who is deceiving you in some way, like they're hiding something from you, like they're not telling you the true picture. And no, that's not to protect you or to that you'll not get hurt or something, but that's actually something which is not being done in the right mind. There is somebody who is purposely deceiving you because they cannot see you happy. This person could be jealous of you. This person does not have your best intentions, right? And this person is somebody who is very close to you because this has come in your personal reading. So please be aware of it. And if you're thinking, how will I know if someone is, doing that, then your intuition will be guiding you. This is also a card of intuition. This is also a card of change, which means a change in your friendship or personal life is coming for you, right? Of course, after when you know the truth that this person backstabbed you in some way, you wouldn't want to be with them. And probably you will end this relationship, or any decision that you were supposed to make on that particular point, you might just change that. So I do see a change coming into your life on the basis of the truth that is going to be revealed to you, which is hidden from you right now. All right, so a change will come for you. So be very cautious this week. Do not trust people easily. Do not let anyone in. Okay, uh, and please follow your intuition. Even your dreams are going to guide you. So bring a paper and pencil whenever you get a dream. Write it down. Maybe it's giving you a message, an important message. Maybe you will be able to join the dots when you get that dream. Okay, let's talk about your career now. Uh, Success is beginning to develop for you this week. All the efforts that you have done in the previous weeks, months, and years is going to be rewarded now. I also see that you had dealt with some very tough competition, whether you are a student, whether you have a job or business. There was competition, yes, or there is going to be a competition this week, but you are going to be successful. You are going to be the winner no matter how tough the competition is. That company, that promotion, that job, that business, that client, customer is going to choose you over all the other people. So it is going to be a very good week for you when it comes to your career. But I also see that the fame, the respect, the rewards that you're getting, you could be attracting jealousy as well. There are people around you, like I said, clearly who are not very happy to see you happy, who are not very happy with your success. Maybe they wanted that, right? It could be that, or they simply don't like you. No matter what it is, please do not let overconfidence cloud your judgment this week. Also, continue to stay humble no matter how much success or attention or fame you get, because that's going to attract a lot of evil eye towards you. Keep your plans, keep your success, keep your money secret, since the people around you are only not trustworthy, right? Since people, your own friend circle, your own family circle is also not trustworthy. So please keep it with you. Whatever success that you're getting, enjoy it with yourself, and only trust very few people, a handful of people. I'm not saying that everyone is bad in your close relationship, but there are people, right? So you have to be cautious this week that you're not discussing too much so that you do not attract any negative energies towards you. It's a beautiful reading when it comes to your career, but yes, a little challenging in your relationships. So yes, this was your weekly reading, and if you guys resonated with it, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel so that you can get these accurate readings. And also, please do not forget to book your own personal reading. Okay, if you have very specific questions which were not covered in this general reading, book a personal reading for yourself. Ask questions regarding your specific with your specific energy so that they are more accurate. Check your sun moon rising if this was not matching, and yes, the details are mentioned in my description box and bio. Email me at asasharma842@gmail.com or directly follow and DM me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. You will get your reading within 24 hours. So check out, take care, and see you very soon. Bye bye.